There's one sure and reliable way to control weeds, and that's to use a chemical. Chemicals are certainly effective for controlling weeds, but there are problems with them too. Their side effects can be very significant. Chemicals may kill weeds very effectively, but they can also kill or damage crops and garden plants, and soil life, and even humans. And their effects can persist well after their application. There are other ways of controlling weeds though. These include grazing animals, mowing, hand weeding, smothering them with mulches, or using heat. Heat can be used to kill weeds either by burning them with fire or applying very hot water or steam. On a small scale, some people boil water and pour that boiling water over weeds. That can work. This can work in particular for tender weeds, but it might not usually penetrate very deep into the soil, so deep roots or tougher plant tissues can regrow. Steam can, however, be very effective, killing plant tissues above and below the soil, and provided the temperature and application technique is appropriate, earthworms and other soil life will not be damaged too much and will re-establish rapidly.
The air inside there as hot as possible, so that when the water runs out, which will be about 100 degrees, we want that to be 100 degrees when it hits the ground, because we want to get to the tap root at that sort of temperature, because that's what will do it. Anything under about 92 degrees will work, but it's down to about 60% rather than...
Obviously the machine we've got on the market is eradicated the need to use glyphosate. It works purely on the system of hot water and steam. I guess the critical use of this machine is a correct balance between steam and hot water, because steam in the past has been marginally effective because it only singes the top of the surface, whereas the hot water component in the system actually penetrates the roots, explodes the plant cells and kills the taproot, so it's been far more effective. The other thing has been the invention of a number of different tools and attachments that purposely fit an application. If we look down here in front of us, you'll see a machine that was actually designed in Australia by our team, even though it was produced by our partners in Austria. This is obviously for doing curbs. We have a number of other handheld products for paving, in around garden beds, so you don't burn the plants you're trying to protect, so you don't have the dangers of things like overspray and all the other problems that you have with chemicals.